Class 10th Geography, Chapter Climate of India, Part 4. The retreating southwest monsoon from October to November. By 1st September, with the apparent movement of the sun towards sun, the low pressure in central India starts weakening and is no longer able to attract the monsoon winds towards land. During autumn equinox, when the sun shines directly over equator, the high pressure begins to build over mainland and subsequently with low pressure over the sea. The southwest monsoon begins to withdraw from the mainland of India. The withdrawal of the southwest monsoon is a much slower process than its onset. It is just the reversal of the process. As the southwest monsoon had travelled towards the north, now it retreats towards the south. This process starts in October and is over by the end of November. The retreat of monsoon takes place due to the migration of the sun towards the south and withdrawal of the southwest monsoon. As the sun no longer shines directly over the Tropic of Cancer, the low pressure weakens with decreasing temperatures, giving way to high pressure on land and low pressure on the surrounding seas. It is a transition period between the hot rainy season and cold dry season in the months of October and November. The transition period is marked by the occurrence of tropical depressions or low pressure systems, which travel across the country in west to northwest direction, generally originating over the Bay of Bengal and rarely in the Arabian Sea. Whenever they occur, they cause tremendous loss of life and property due to heavy rains, usually on the eastern coastal regions of India. The part of winter rainfall in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh is caused by retreating monsoons. The storms in the Arabian Sea, though very rarely occur between 12 degrees north to 17 degrees north in October and November. The withdrawal of monsoon leads to clear, cloudless sky, high temperatures and high humidity during the month of October. Thus, this sultry and oppressive weather is often referred to as October heat. Characteristic features of the southwest monsoon. The distribution of rainfall is not uniform. The southwest monsoon causes rainfall in most part of the country except in Tamil Nadu. Erratic nature of the southwest monsoon is evident from the fact that sometimes parts of the country may be facing fury of floods due to heavy rains, mostly in the plains, while the other parts be reeling under severe drought conditions due to scanty rainfall. The most important aspect of Indian rainfall is that it is largely controlled by orography. Due to the local variations of heat and moisture, during the months of October and November, tropical cyclones originate at the head of the Bay of Bengal. In spite of all-round development, India still remains an agricultural country and a major part of its economy depends on the intensity of monsoons. The variability of rainfall in time and space plays havoc with the agricultural production of the country. Therefore, the life of the Indian farmer revolves around the monsoon regime. Here ends the fourth part of this chapter.